Walaupun keadaan tadi di babak kedua hujan, tapi mereka masih setia untuk mendukung kami. Dan mungkin hasil akhir bisa terjadi seperti begitu. Kami mohon maaf kepada seluruh supporter. Dan semoga di pertandingan berikutnya kami bisa tampil lebih baik lagi dari pertandingan hari ini.
Okay, good night to everybody. I think on the first half we get a big chance to score, at least one big chance after 2-3 not so big, but one very big. We cannot score. We have many situations with that we play good, switch off the side of ball playing in our style with offensive transitions. We cannot forget that against this team away we lose 3-0. This team is a good team in my opinion, have good intensity, they are aggressive, and one good example that they are aggressive, see how many fouls they make. They make 18 fouls against 5. We make 5 fouls, they make 18 fouls. But okay, it's part of the game. On the second half, we have a good chance on the beginning. After opponent team more strong, they score goal. After we draw, and after we can have better decision to score the second goal, but also they have chances. So I think, of course, we want to win, but I think the result is fair. I don't want to forget, I want to say Terima, Kasih, thank you very much for the supporters that come today here to support the team. I know that they make the sacrifice to come here. So Terima, Kasih, thank you very much.
Saya berterima kasih atas kesempatan. Kedua kepada Tuhan atas hasil yang kita dapatkan di malam hari ini. Walaupun tidak sesuai dengan apa yang kita inginkan, tapi itulah kerja keras tim, kerja keras teman-teman. Pertama-tama juga saya mengucap syukur kepada seluruh supporter yang sudah datang mendukung kita di stadion. Walaupun keadaan tadi di babak kedua hujan, tapi mereka masih setia untuk mendukung kami. Dan mungkin hasil akhir bisa terjadi seperti begitu. Kami mohon maaf kepada seluruh supporter. Dan semoga di pertandingan berikutnya kami bisa tampil lebih baik lagi dari pertandingan hari ini.
We want to win. We know that it's difficult when Indonesia play against Vietnam. Always Vietnam national team and on clubs get better result. And today we want to change this situation. We want to collect the 3 points. But we must be realist. They start to prepare this match on 9 November. So it's 3 weeks and a half to prepare the match, and we just have some days. But I am happy with the players. Okay, we make some mistakes, and sometimes when we make mistakes, opponents score goals, like was what happened today. But we catch 1 point to the ranking of Indonesia.
Okay, the next question is...
Now is recover the players for next match that we play on 4 December for Indonesia League. About AFC Cup match is just on 14 December. We have too much time to think about this. Now my focus and the focus of the team must be Indonesia League.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.